Set now. Ready. And they're racing. Good start to Red Merlin, eased out the back in the early stages. So too Rough Diamond back there. And Shanna Farahan is one of the first to begin down near the inside. Out wide of those, Shady Gloom is going to take up the early running. Serati settles third, followed then by El Diego, the light jacket with a black cap on the outside. Followed by Star Choice, and further back in the field then is Hearth Sovereign, Bassinet, followed in the green jacket then by Rough Diamond, and last is Red Merlin. And a pretty good even pace set here as they go out of the straight by Shady Gloom. Leads by a length or so to Shanna Farahan. Up on the outside in third then is El Diego, the black cap, followed by Serati, and further back is Star Choice. Tucked away on the inside next follows Hearth Sovereign as they head into the back from Bassinet, the orange cap, followed then by Rough Diamond, and last is Red Merlin as they continue their journey into the back straight. And the pace being set by Shady Gloom by 3 parts of a length to Shanna Farahan. With the run of the race in third is Serati, nicely settled on the inside for Alan Munro. Out wide are El Diego, the black cap. Further back in the field then is Star Choice. Then on the inside, Hearth Sovereign from Bassinet. A length and a half then to Rough Diamond, who's back towards the rear of the field, and Red Merlin is last of all. Running over the side now, and they've got just under 5 furlongs to travel, and still out in front is Shady Gloom for Neil Callan, but Shanna Farahan, the red cap, looming up on the outside. Tucked in behind them, Serati going well, followed then by El Diego being pushed along. Star Choice on the outside is next, followed then by Hearth Sovereign, the inner, as they race around the top bend now, and they run up now towards the half mile. And the leader here on the outside, Shanna Farahan, goes up to put his head in front now, fighting back and holding the inside though. Shady Gloom is back in front again now. Then on the inside is Serati. Out wide as they pass the 3 is Star Choice making some ground. Then Bassinet and Red Merlin from the rear is starting to make giant strides as well. 2.5 furlongs to travel as they straighten up for home now. Star Choice in the centre, looms up, grabs a narrow lead, but Serati going well on the inside. Red Merlin is out deeper on the track, and they're followed by Hearth Sovereign, who's getting right up on the fence. It's Serati though who set sail for the judge just in front here from Red Merlin the outside. Hearth Sovereign is the danger on the inner. It's Serati trying to hold on from Hearth Sovereign. Hearth Sovereign and Serati, they settle down to fight it out now. Hearth Sovereign going home slightly the better and gets up to beat Serati. In third then is Red Merlin, followed in fourth by Rough Diamond.
First, number 4.